Hey Gators, this week we're going to be talking about locomotor movement. The first movement is walking. In order to walk, you must be balanced on your feet and you follow a simple pattern which is heel to toe. When we walk heels first and then we put our toes down. And as we're walking, we do swing our arms. So just think about like this. If I'm using my left foot, I'm going to swing my right arm. Put my toes down and switch feet. Okay? So my walking position goes heel to toe, heel to toe, heel to toe. Okay? This is walking. Alright, very good. Now the next one is a little quicker. It is running. And in running, it's the same idea with the arms and the legs, only you want to be lighter on your feet, okay? So when you're running, you still are going heel to toe, but you want to switch quicker, okay? So it's gonna look like this. So running would be longer strides than walking, okay? When we walk, we have slower, shorter strides. When we're running, we're taking longer strides. The next locomotor skill is called skipping. And skipping follows a very simple pattern. The pattern is step, hop, step, hop, step, hop. What that means is you're going to take a step with your foot and you're going to hop on that same leg before switching feet. Okay? So it's going to look like this. I'm going to step, hop my knee up, and then switch and hop. Okay? So step, hop, that is skipping. And then once you get it, you add the arms and you pump your arms just like you would if you were running. So a lot of these locomotor skills have a little similarity to them. Walking, pumping the arms. Running, pumping the arms. Skipping, pumping the arms. The next one is called galloping. And galloping looks very similar to skipping. When we think of galloping, we think of like a horse, how it runs in the field. What you want to do is you want to take one leg and keep that leg in front of you at all times. That is your lead foot. The back leg is always going to try to catch the front foot. So when we gallop, we're going to gallop and try to let our foot catch the front foot. Okay? Notice my toes. When I'm galloping, my toes are pointing in the same direction that I'm traveling in. That's important because I'm going to explain why in a little bit. So if I was going this way, I'm going to be galloping with my toes pointing in the same direction. Okay? The next one is similar to gallop, but it's sideways, and we call it slide or slide step. So instead of my toes being turned in the direction that I'm traveling, my toes are going to now be perpendicular. If I'm going this way or that way, my toes are going to be pointing at the camera. Okay? And I'm going to slide my feet. Almost like I was defending in basketball, right? Your slide step, slide step, slide step. You want to stay on the balls of your feet, on your toes, okay? You want to be light when you're slide stepping. The next two are very, very similar. Jumping and hopping. There's one big difference. When I'm jumping, I'm using 2 feet. When I'm hopping, I'm using 1. So a jump, I would bend my knees and I would push off of the ground. Jump, jump. Make sure when you're coming down, when you're landing, you also want to bend your knees to absorb the force. When I'm hopping, I pick up one leg. Okay? Hopping, jumping. And there you go. Those are our 7 locomotor skills. Walking, running, skipping, galloping, sliding, jumping, hopping.